Tagalog Filipino Vocabulary 4. This is now Series 4. So we have here, natuntun ng binata ang daan at nasundan niya sa bahay ang marikit na dalaga. This is roughly translated in English as the guy found a way and dodged himself or followed the trail to get to the house of a pretty lady. So when you say natuntun, found the place, it could be you're searching for that something and now you found the place. Now you can use the word natuntun. Natuntun ng mga pulis ang hideout ng mga kriminal. So here natuntun, okay, and then the door, okay, and the object. Natuntun ng mga turista ang magandang kuweba. So you can easily identify the meaning, okay, or the equivalent of these words. So when you say turista, that's tourist. So plural. Magandang kuweba, that's beautiful cave. Natuntun namin ang lumang kubo ng matanda. So we're able to found, okay, or we found the old hut of the old or aged. So when you say kubo, it could be a hut or shanty, okay, made of bamboo or wood. And you say luma, it means old only for things. But when you say matanda, it also means old or aged. So two different words, okay, luma for things only, old things, and matanda for human or for living things. Next, the word is daan. Okay, it could be way, trail, or street. Hindi ko alam ang daan papunta sa waterfall. So, I don't know. Hindi ko alam. I don't know the way to waterfalls. So, here, saan ang daan patungo sa Bato Cueva? So, this is a place, Bato Cueva, that's the name because it's a stone cave. Okay, so saan ang daan? Patungo, going to, okay, papunta. Okay, another, madilim ang daan pabalik sa hotel. So here, when you say madilim, is dark. So going back. So the way, daan, going back to the hotel. So you have here, madilim ang daan papunta sa hotel. Another, nasundan. So when you say nasundan, that is followed, able to follow. It means the sequence or the way. So, nasundan mo ba ang instruction? So, in English, you say that, can you follow the instruction or have you got the instruction? Nasundan tayo ng mga gwapong lalaki. So, here we were followed by the good-looking guys. So, nasundan tayo. Okay, next we have the word nasundan nila ang daan papunta sa tuktok ng bundok. So, you notice, aside from these words in this sentence, we also have some words that you can easily remember with the two or more meanings like the word papunta. So, nasundan nila ang daan. So, daan here could be the way, okay, going to, or it could be the trail. Tuktok, so when you say tuktok, it refers to the peak of the mountain. So, the highest part of something, okay, you can use the word tuktok. And the bundok here, of course, is the mountain. Another phrase, marikit na dalaga, it refers to pretty lady. So when you say marikit na dalaga, it refers to a beautiful and simple lady, okay, with this, it could be conservative. Usually, they are from the provinces. Okay, so marikit na dalaga pala ang nobya mo. So, oh, your GF is a pretty lady. So, marikit na dalaga. So, it doesn't refers only to the physical features. So, it could also mean that when you say marikit na dalaga, conservative, traditional lady. So, merong marikit na dalaga doon sa probinsya. So, probinsya, if you had been in the Philippines, so it is like the countryside. Okay. So, isang marikit na dalaga ang anak niya. So, dalaga here is lady. Ang anak, it could be child, but here I translated that into daughter because it is already dalaga. Okay, isang marikit na dalaga, isa is one, but here you can simply say because in English you don't say their daughter is one lady, of course. So you say isang, okay, marikit na dalaga, a pretty lady. Now, if you want to get some learnings or more resources, you can visit the website here, okay, and if you want live classes, you can just contact us here.